time where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Hi guys, welcome back to H&Z Kids Show. It's me, Haika, and today we are going to be opening the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, and you also have a case for it right over here. And I can't wait to open it, and let's just get into the unboxing. Guys, here we have the Note 10. And the cover we're going to open after we see the Note 10 Plus 5G. Wow! Here we have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. It looks amazing. And then check this out. We have this, and then open this bit. We have quick start guide, and we have original lock guide and watch SD card. So we'll just pop those. Oh, and we got how to transfer to connect your new Galaxy phone, right? This is the SIM remover tool. Let's open this cover now. Here we have the cover. That's pretty cool. It's a quick start guide and the cover. And this phone piece. Here's a quick start guide. Here is the cover. It can fit right on your phone, and like it says, it fits in the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. It's LED. It's a LED view cover. Now let's get the phone out. Wow, amazing. This already comes with a screen protector on it, so yay! Now let's put it in the cover. Now here we have the super fast charger, 25 volt. Here we have, this is a USB SIM converter, and this is a tool so you can change the tip of the pen that comes with it. So the pen's right there, and it comes with the extra pen right there. Now over here we have the cable to go with the charger, and then here we have the headphones, and these are AKG headphones. And if you're wondering where do the headphones go, they go where the charging is. Now let's turn the phone on. Let's go. This is a LED cover so you don't have to open the screen to look at the time, and you don't need to open the screen to look at any messages because it will appear on the cover. 256 memory, 12 GB RAM, super fast charging. This is water and dust resistant. You can expand the memory to 1 terabyte. This has Google, and sometimes it says, say okay Google. So this is all the Google things. In order to get the pen out, we have to click it one time. So in order to put the pen back, just slide it in. It's super fast. You also have a volume button, a minus button, and a turn off button. The back we have these 3 cameras which I really like, and like one is the 3D camera and it says Samsung on the back. So we can write on the screen. So we can and love it on your phone. And it's totally easy, don't need to press any buttons. This is not a test, you can show anything you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit that bell icon, and show us some love. And can you please also click that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Ooh, ooh, ooh.